Well, here's the results of my experiment of printing here. I can, I already primed it, but you can see the lines in it. I don't know how bad you'll see that after I paint it, though, the lines. I just thought I'd try something different here. Gotta keep myself busy for the winter. So here's the bottom part of it, and this will fit on top of this like this. I don't know if you can see that or not. See that where the coupler will be sticking out. And then these things, here's a roof thing here. See how nice detail it came out on that? That goes up there on top up there. These here things here are, is where the, the truck's mounts at. So this thing here, would, well, actually, that's not the right way. It's actually this way. Because that both be over that hole there. I don't know if there's supposed to be something in, there's no place for, I don't think you can see that. I figured there'd be some kind of pin there for to go down inside of this, but there's not. Unless you add something, Well, this is what I printed. Just want to make another shorty here of the outcome. I get some good detail, but I don't know anything. I don't know if I can cover those lines, the 3D lines. Alright. Thank you for watching. I've been working on a layout. I need to do a layout update. Alright. Thank you. Bye.